Alright, hey guys, my name is Jess. I work on the automotive lighting team, and today I'm extremely excited to introduce the RedLithium USB stick light with charging dock. So this light has unmatched utility for lighting in tight spaces. Really what that means is it has a strong magnetic base and a hook for unmatched utility in any application you want to hang it from. So you're never going to be spending time looking for a place to set it down. This light has everything you need for mounting purposes with hands-free use. This light also has 220 degrees of vertical light head rotation and 4 total output modes to really give you total control over that beam, and a slim light blade design paired with an inspection light for all access lighting. So a lot of times you're working the engine compartment, it's flooded with light, it's harder to see beneath that surface level components to really get you to be able to see those harder to reach areas. This light has 550 lumens and 2 hours of runtime on high. But if you want to extend that runtime for all day use to perform into any application you might need it for, you can always pair with the RedLithium USB stick light charging dock. So this is a sequential charging dock, meaning the light's always going to take priority to the battery when it's on the dock. However, it's super easy to swap out. This light, just take the battery cap off and then you can take this battery out for your quick changes between jobs so that you're running all day. This light has a 2.1 amp charge rate, which means it's 2 hours to full charge for both the light and the battery. It also mounts magnetically or via keyholes for your convenience, so you don't have to spend time, drilling holes into your toolbox or wherever else. It's a super easy setup for you. And then moving forward, you're going to start to see USB-C integrated charging ports in all of our RedLithium USB personal lighting products moving forward. So this is the first light to include this USB-C port. We know that that's cutting-edge technology. We want to stay up to date with that. We want to streamline that charging process for you. Don't want to have you looking for, through all your cords. We know that USB-C is that primary cord, more durable to use. So wanted to integrate that as well into this light. And then moving forward in 2023, you'll see all of our RedLithium USB personal lighting products change over to that as well. Both the light and the charger are covered by our limited lifetime warranty, so never need to worry about the light crapping out on you. We're always going to stand by our promise to you, delivering a really robust product. And that's all I got.